Hi, everybody. So I have a very special unboxing for you today. Um, I have a card kit here. This is the March kit from Lizi. Love from Lizi. I have been kind of obsessed with Love from Lizi card kits for a really long time. I always watch like all the unboxings from the design team, all the card making stuff. I absolutely love their kits. So when I was offered an opportunity to go ahead and play with the March kit for all of you, I could not say no. I was so excited. I'm so excited to get digging into this kit. So I'm going to go through the whole kit with you. And yeah, this is going to be so much fun. And then I will have, after the unboxing video, I will also have a couple process videos coming as well. So let's just start with the paper. So this paper is called Bugs and Kisses. Also, I'm obsessed with this whole kit. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, it's so pretty. So this one's called Bugs and Kisses. There are 12 single-sided pattern papers in here. So I'm going to go ahead and show them all to you and then kind of lay them out. They're super cute and fun. Another thing I really like about them is how things are spaced out. So if you needed like some smaller embellishments for a project, you could go ahead and fussy cut some of the elements on these papers. Look, I love this because you can just cut it in two little 3x3 squares for a card. And this would be super easy. Just put a little sentiment or a little image in there. You'd have like a really quick and easy card project. Same with this one. This one's super pretty. And this one just screams fussy cut to me. Like this one says, cut me into squares, and that's fine. This one says fussy cut because so pretty, right? I just love, love, love her card kits. Like I said, I have been a little closet stalker of her card kits and her design team and all their projects. I could not say yes fast enough when I was asked if I wanted to create and work with the March kit. So pretty, so spring-like. I just love, love, love this. So those are all of the paper that are in the kit. Next, we have some ephemera. Some pretty die cuts here. Let me just kind of pull these out here. And then I'll go ahead and kind of lay them all out. Again, these die cuts are so gorgeous. I love these little bottles. I love the butterflies. You guys know I'm all about the butterflies. But pull these down so you can really kind of get to see them. Maybe we'll even zoom in a little bit so you get a really good look at the die cuts that are in this pack. I love her die cuts. They have very small white borders, but they're small. I don't feel the need to like cut these down anymore. And you can see here we have elements where you get like one big one and one small one, which you know I'm always the biggest fan of. I love that. I love having all those different sizes and elements. That is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use that on a scrapbook or on a card. Or now that I started to say scrapbook, maybe we'll do a scrapbook page. Let's see. I'm going to try to have a lot of process videos for you and do a lot of different things with this kit. That is my ultimate plan, is to be able to bring you a lot of fun content. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. I love that. So let's put these aside because I run out of room. And that gives you a perfect idea of how many die cuts are in this pack. Loads and loads and loads and loads and loads. So if you've never seen a Love from Lizi kit before, and you are unfamiliar with their kits, make sure to head down to the description box where you will find links to the website where you can grab a kit. I will leave all of that information in below. Now these are a subscription, which and that's why I didn't get to I haven't gotten to work with a kit before, because they sell out really quick, and I know if I subscribed, they would start to just stack up, and so sometimes hard decisions have to be made. And right now, I just didn't have the time in my crafty arsenal to really like kill a kit. But one time, guest design and do my thing and have so much fun with the kit. Yes, please. Perfection. So there are all the pieces. I'm so excited. Like, I don't even think you know how excited I am to be able to work with these gorgeous products this month. Like, love her kits. So those are all of the ephemera pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in, and then we'll look at the rest of the kit, because these kits are jam-packed. Like, there's a ton of stuff in these kits. The next thing is you get 2 card bases. So these are pretty big. I think they're 5x7 cards, and they have this little peekaboo window. I love that. We're definitely gonna have to make a card or 2 using those card bases. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. There we go. And then there is some cardstock. So this is 8.5 by 11 cardstock. It's nice and heavy weight. So this is really, really nice heavy cardstock. Let me see, get these in here for you so you can see all the different colors. And the colors then coordinate with the colors in the paper and with the collection. And there's some white and some pink. So gorgeous. Love, love, love. And then there is a stamp set and a coloring die. So we have this gorgeous stamp set with all these butterflies and flowers. I love the sentiments. To my love bug, a happy hello, flying by to say hi, sending bugs and kisses. And then there's the birthday wishes sentiment as well. And then we have all of these flowers and all of these gorgeous butterflies. And on the back, there is a stencil. So you can color up your stamped images any way you would like. There are peel-offs. So Love from Lizi, she is known for her peel-offs. Peel-offs, I'm going to pull one of these off. It's like these fun, thin stickers. These are a pretty green color. And I think these are gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to play with these beautiful peel-offs. Let me check the color for you in case you're interested. Never mind, can't find the color. They're just a lovely spring green. And there's 3 different sizes. So there's the wide width, the medium width, and the teeny tiny width. And then there is a piece of silver mirror cardstock. There is a piece of this net. I've been really loving playing and adding fabric and different fibers to my projects recently. So super excited about that. Have some foil and a piece of acetate. I don't know if this is foil or if it's just like a foil sheet. We'll have to play with that and see what's going on with that. I'm not sure. It doesn't feel like a hot foil or, a foil where you need a laminator. It feels more like it's just a holographic kind of thin translucent paper. So that's really cool. All right, and then we have this whole bag of goodies. And the first thing I'm seeing that is making me so happy is, you guys know how much I love wax seals. So for me to be able to design, for me to be able to create with the kit that includes a wax seal stamper is like perfection. So cool. I cannot wait. Can't wait to play with that wax seal stamper. And then you get a stick of the wax, which I think I've never used the wax like these. I always use the little beads, but I think you can just, I think that this is so you don't need like a spoon or an oven. You just light this and then you kind of pop the wax down and then put the wax in. And I'm going to play with this. I will play with it, figure it out, and show you how it works. And then we have some little kind of popped up. So they have some from Dimension already on them. And they say with love, and silver foiled. Another gorgeous trim. So there are three different colors it looks like. So it's like holographic trim. There's a purple. There is a kind of green color. And there is a clear kind of white one. Super pretty. I love those. Those are gorgeous. Then there is a metal die that says, oop, there's two. Okay, so this says sweet friend. And then this one says hello. How adorable. I love that. So cute. And they're in this like gorgeous kind of scripty font. Those are amazing. And then there are some gems. There's some kind of small clear gems and then a larger clear gem. And then last but not least, this looks like a shaker, like shaker fell, which is awesome. And it has these cute little butterflies. They're all holographic. I am in love. I can't wait to make some gorgeous cards and share them. I will definitely go ahead and make some wax seals and kind of show you how this way of making wax seals works. And I cannot wait to get started and create so many cards with this kit. I think it's going to be super duper fun. So be sure to head down to the description box. If you're interested in this kit, you'll find all of the links and information that you need. I'm going to start cutting some paper and making some things. So I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.